One of the ways the infinite manifests to finite beings is through miracles. Since every miracle defies the law of science, the linear logic and objectivity does not hold any explanation to a miracle. Kasi galores with many such miracles. Let's see one such miracle in this myth. Yajnavalkya, an ancient rishi, was doing his tapas once in Varanasi. Yajnavalkya was supposed to have lived between 8th and 7th century before Christ. While doing his tapas, he noticed the sun god crossing over on the sky. He immediately prayed him and requested him to teach him something. Sun god descended down and landed on Varanasi. He then taught Yajnavalkya the intricate site of Surya Gayatri. Pleased with this, the rishi bowed down to sun god and politely left, receiving his blessings. The chariot wheel of sun god, which landed on earth, released a small pool of water when it took off from the ground. Later, days went by. The pool became dirty, smelly, and repulsive. There was a king who was afflicted by leprosy, and because of which he lost his kingdom and was driven away from his country. He started begging for his food. Some days he did not even get any food. His leprosy was so bad, people abused him and chased him out, leave alone giving him food. People did not want the sight of him even. One day, he was thirsty and was asking people to offer him water. The scorching sun was merciless, and so the people too, no one offered him even a drop of water. Tired and hopeless, the king noticed the dirty pool of water, but his thirst made him reach there. Unmindful of the smell and dirt, he dipped his hands inside the pool. When he took out both hands with full water in the palms, he was surprised to see his leprosy was treated and cured, and his fingers raised were looking so perfect. He understood that the water carries the great curative power. He took bath there, and his leprosy was completely cured. He returned to his kingdom and reclaimed it. Upon regaining his kingdom, the first thing he did was cleaning the water body and constructing a well around it. And then he opened it for the common public for their benefit. A small temple was also constructed there for Surya Dev. This temple is called Lolar Kund, such is the miracle of Surya Dev.